Oh, someone sent me flowers. Aww. 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 My baby's making me cry. Ay, nalaglag tuloy yun. I love you, Ryan Mang, forever and ever. Amen. Thank you so much for this. This is so sweet. This made me so happy. I love you, baby boy. Happy Mother's Day to my two moms. Kasama ka, Mamo. Happy Mother's Day. Ayun, maganda ka dyan, Mamo. May filter to ha, para bistisak ka. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
One more, Mamo.
Parang nakapikit ang mata mo na, naibuka mo. Ayan, ganyan.
Happy Mother's Day, hey, hey, it's your day. Happy Mother's Day, all the moms we celebrate. Love so big, all the time.
Si Kenny, ever since yung look niya, ano no, yung hindi nagbabago. Yung pag nakita mo siya, alam mo hindi.
Alam mo siya. No. Okay. Hindi naman ni Kelsey.
Si Kelsey. Kelsey girl.
Kelsey girl, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, dito na kayo tumakbo. Hoy! Hoy! House light!
Subscribers, atensyon na natin sa kapamilya, Ito si Cold, even mga kapuso, magkita-kita bukas, Rono, sa show! It's showtime! Thank you naman, Nikitero! Thank you, Madre Ako!
Matagal ay see you nga. Si ate.
Grabe yung pang-victim tong vlog na to. Sinama nila ako doon sa mall show sa Bulacan. Ano ko cast?
So, di nila alam, may special guest po tayo.
Nagmukha akong promo head ng Star Cinema dito sa...
Hindi ko pa pala yung pinag-visa.
Awa nga.
Sabi sa'yo, si Vice, alam niya ganyan sa sakyan.
Bakit dyan sila?
Let them talk, it don't matter much. Ain't nobody breaking us. Nah, they don't know we ain't giving up. Won't let nobody stop this love. Nah, you give me something to believe in. And girl, you know I'm never leaving. Let them talk, it don't matter much. Ain't nobody breaking us. We gon' keep on rocking. Keep on riding till the wheels fall off. Just let them haters keep on talking. They just mad 'cause they...
Goodness gracious! Ikaw yung nag-shoplift! You are the one caught stealing on CCTV! Oh my god, no way! I cannot take this anymore, no way! My twin brother is a criminal! Yan ang hindi ko
I'm so excited for the party. White Party is really the party at that time, 10 years ago. It's the most unkaboggable celebration for the LGBTQIA+ community at that time. Pero iba yung energy talaga ng White Party. Celebrating with everyone in white na napakadami. If you happen to be there and experience that, na parang sea of beautiful individuals in white celebrating together, meeting new friends, and seeing again everyone that I have not seen for the longest time. Yung talagang really look forward.
I'm very excited to be working with them, with Vice, of course. Excited for the comeback, and I wanna actually check it out for the first time.
Let's celebrate Pride at the White Party Manila on June 27 at the World Trade Center. See you guys there, bakla na!